Construction of Salinity Gradient Solar Pond and its Maintenance. By Syed Mohammed Faris Syed Mahizan Baljit Singh. Anuran Nangar Nyandang, Nureda Adilia Bareen, Mohammed Faraz Remilai and Amandeep Oberoi. The present study explores about salinity gradient solar pond construction and maintenance. Solar pond consists of three layers, which are upper convective zone UCZ, non-convective zone NCZ, and lower convective zone LCZ. The solar pond collects solar radiation and stores it at the bottom of the pond as thermal energy for a relatively longer period of time. The upper convective zone has the lowest density and temperature. Since renewable energy may prevent environmental contamination including air pollution, it has become a preferred alternative to fossil fuels. Future generations will considerably benefit from power generation from renewable energy sources due to the growing human population and increased demand for electricity. Solar energy is one of the renewable resources that may be used to power our systems. An inexpensive solar collector that can be utilized for long-term heat storage is the Salinity Gradient Solar Pond. The storage of heat is useful for the generation of power during cloudy day and at night, in addition being very useful compared to other solar system. In this research, the solar pond was filled with saline water with increasing of density from top to the bottom as solar radiation was being absorbed at the bottom of the pond. This project mainly focused on the construction of the Salinity Gradient Solar Pond and the methods to maintain the condition of solar pond. The parameters such as temperature, density and pH value of water in solar pond was obtained as part of the maintenance and stability of the pond. The construction and maintenance of this Salinity Gradient Solar Pond was simple and low cost, thus it is good example to replace other type of solar systems such as PV solar system.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.